What's up, YouTube? Scotty from CT Charger. Foggy day here in CT land. I'm doing this wheel and tire package challenge from MotorSubduedTelevision. Curly Locks Chris on Instagram. But this is my 2015 Charger RT Road and Track Super Track Pack. I have HellCat factory reproduction wheels. 9.5 in the front, 10.5 in the back. I've got radar Dimax R8 tires. This came as a package with the wheels, so I got the wheel and tires as one kit. That's kind of how I ended up with the radar tires. I had never really heard of them before, yeah, I've been really happy with them. This first set has lasted over a year. Still got some pretty good tread on there. The back's one I've replaced once because I've got a smoking problem. But so yeah, they're pretty good. Been really happy with the wheels. I got some of the pinstriping red tape on there. Got the RT badge in the middle. Got the RT air cap little screws there. So these are the rears. As I said, been real happy with them. They fit really nice. I didn't have to use any spacers or anything. And you know, it's a pretty nice wide tire. They don't stick out of the wheel well at all. For 315 tires in the back and 275s in the front. So yep, I'm pretty happy. So that's my submission for the challenge. Thanks to MotorSubduedTelevision for doing this challenge, and I'll talk to you guys later.